Yes guys, welcome back to the Chef Hampshire channel, where today we're going to be making a chocolate fried gyoza. So you might know the gyoza dumpling, a typical dish often found in Japan, usually stuffed with veggies or some kind of meat. But today we're going to do a sweet alternative take on that famous dish, and it's going to be a beautiful dessert that you can enjoy with your Asian cuisine. Let's do this. So right here we've got our dumpling pastries, or our dumpling papers or wrappers. So they look like this. It's just water and flour, very simple, although you can buy them from your local Asian supermarket. So I bought these from a Chinese supermarket near me. And then they're all perfectly the same size once you buy them. You can make it yourself. It does take a little bit of effort, and you can buy them and they're so cheap and work just as well. So we're gonna start here with 8 of them, line them out. You want a bowl of cold water that you're gonna use to stick them together. But first we want to start with our filling. So I'm just going with Green and Black's organic dark chocolate. Just get it out the packet, and then you've got this block here. You then just want to go with a knife, probably as sharp as you can, and just cut it into chocolate shavings. So just scraping down the side of the bar. And then you want to get it into chocolate shavings just like they are here. And then you want to keep doing that with as much chocolate as you want to fill the gyozas. So now that we've cut all that chocolate into beautiful chocolate shavings, you then just want to get it together into the gyoza wrappers. So you're going to take a small handful at a time, get it inside that center of the wrapper, just a little sort of mold just like that. Then dab your fingers into the cold water, going around the edge, then lift up both the top and bottom, and just seal them together, going around the sides, sealing it all together so it comes together in a semicircle shape. You then can do whatever you want with the sides. So here we've got a hot pan just with a little bit of coconut oil in it, and then you want to take your gyozas and just drop them in so then they can fry off on both sides. Put them in, you give them a couple minutes on one side to go golden brown, and then you can flip them over to the other side and let the other side get golden brown too, whilst that chocolate melts in the middle. So when you're making the wrappers, you want to make sure that there's no holes inside of them, because otherwise then the chocolate will seep out and it will burn in the pan. So you just got to be super careful when you're making the wrappers that there's no holes in it at all, because otherwise that can just ruin a whole batch of them. So there you have it, 3 chocolate filled fried gyozas. And then you get that oozing chocolate center. So there you have it guys. You got chocolate stuffed fried gyoza, the perfect twist on a classic Asian cuisine dish. If you want to make this at home, feel free to. It's a perfectly easy recipe that just requires 2 simple ingredients, and it tastes so good. This is also one of the dishes that I serve as part of my private event catering, and it also will appear on one of my supper clubs coming up. So head over to my website if you want to book me for any private events, and also if you wanted to come to one of my supper clubs, where you can also purchase tickets on my website. Thank you guys for watching. If you did like this video, hit the like button below, subscribe to me on YouTube, and follow me on Instagram. Thank you for watching, and peace.